All right, what we looked at today in class was the real number system, just the real basics. When you start with the real number system, we're starting right from the beginning, counting numbers where you began, just the numbers 1 all the way up, counting by 1s, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole numbers, same thing, just we add a 0 to it, so 0, 1, 2, 3, on forever. When we get to integers, the only difference there is we start adding negative numbers to the list. So we got negative 1, 2, and 3 all the way forever. The tough ones become when we get to rational and irrational. All rational means is that I can write it as a fraction. So that means any decimal, well, any original integer, but also any decimal that ends or any decimal that repeats forever is considered rational. Those that are irrational are ones that don't repeat. So like pi never has any pattern to it, or square roots that aren't perfect squares, they will also not be rational numbers. And then what we'll find out is that real numbers are the rational numbers and irrational numbers combined. Now, what we need to look at here, some symbols that are commonly used with all these. Integers is the first one. They demonstrated with a boldface Z. Why is it Z? Who knows? But we can't really write in boldface. So to do so, we just kind of add this second line here to kind of make it look bold, a boldface Z. Rational numbers, they also have a special one. Q, boldface, is what we say for rational. Sometimes you'll see kind of a boldface I, kind of looks like the Roman numeral 2 sometimes, but I for irrational numbers. And then the big one is the real numbers, which are just irrationals and the irrationals combined. That's what the big boldface R is. And so we have really two sets here. We have both rationals and irrationals. So rational numbers over here, and we'll say the irrationals over here. They don't combine. What we want to look at though is that this whole big thing becomes our real number system. And just so we can see again, inside the rational numbers are the set of integers. And inside the set of integers would be another set, which would be our, our whole numbers. And then within our whole numbers is the final set, what we originally started with, our counting numbers. And the whole thing combined, rationals and irrationals, gives us our real number system. So there's your crash course on our number system.